Hello everyone. In this video we are going to study about how to draw the bar graph. Okay. So here we will learn it with the example. So example says the number of car produced by a factory in first 6 months of a year is shown here. Here you can see. Okay. Now you need to represent this data as a bar graph. So first of all, what we will do, we need to draw the axis. So we will draw to the bottom left corner. So the horizontal axis will be represented as month, vertical number, right? And these two axes should be perpendicular always. Now you have seen that on x-axis we are presenting month, so we will write there month. Okay, on y-axis we are representing numbers. Okay, what numbers? Car produced by a factory. Okay, so on y-axis we will write number of cars. Now on x-axis, as we have written months, so we will mention there January, February, March, April, May, June, July, May, June, right? Now if you see on x-axis, we need to write the numbers. Okay, but when we draw the graph, we need to take care that yes, these bars should have the common or the uniform scaling, right? Now these bars should have the uniform scaling, as well as the width of the bar should always be the same. Okay, now yes, here you can see as we have drawn this number of cars, so here we will write numbers. So here you can see all these numbers are ending with 2 zeros, right? It means all these numbers are divisible by 4, as you know the divisibility rule of 4. Okay, so if we are taking 1 centimeter equals to 400 cars, then your graph will go too long. Why? Because it is highest is 9,600. So for 400 car, you need to draw 24 lines to represent 9,600. So what we will do? We will take 1 centimeter equals to 800 cars. According to our convenience, the graph should not be too small, not too large. Okay, so we are taking 1 centimeter equals to 800 cars. So let's write it 0, 800, 1600, 2400, 3200. Like this, you can see we are writing on the y-axis. Okay, so we have written all these on the y-axis. Okay, so now let's start drawing this. So what we will do, as 800 cars you have seen, so now just find out for 8,800 cars how many centimeters you need to take. So for 8,800, we'll divide it by 800 and you will get 11. So here we need to take 11 centimeters to draw 8,800 graphs. Or you can see, and these are already marked, you can see in the graph, so you can directly take from there. So like that we will find for each and every number that where these numbers are lying. Okay, sometimes it lie between also, like suppose one box is made like that. Okay, and you have to draw suppose 9.5, then you will take the middle one value, right? You will take the middle one value. So like that we draw the graphs also. Okay, so now let's start drawing the graph. So now you can see accordingly 8,800, yes, 9,600, now 7,600 till there, 4,400, 3,200 and 800. Okay, so like this we will draw the bars, right? So and after that we need to label the graph. So what is the labeling here? That car produced by a factory over 6 months. Okay, so that's all for today's video. So thank you so much. Bye bye, take care and do revise.